Alright guys, George Philip Parks After Dark. Hey, we are here at World Premiere Food Court at All-Star Movies. So All-Star Movies obviously is a value resort, but the food here is anything but value. So this is really kind of the panty menu. So you got your show-stopping burger, which is awesome. Real quick, this is great. Mojo chicken, salmon, shrimp, sesame chicken, beef and vegetable stir fry. You're at a value resort, guys. It is awesome. So come on in. There's your mobile pickup order. We use that far too often. And then you come in. They just redid this entire thing probably about a year ago. So it has that feel of all the famous movie theaters. And they've named them. The Majestics over there. Then they get the Lyric, the Grand, Roxy, and Rialto. All famous. But each are stations. Now, you know, on all these resorts where you have the major food court, you have your stations. Majestic is your pizza, and then your kids' meals. Lyric is your make your own, which has that mojo chicken, the salmon, the shrimp we saw. And it also has a chicken adobo nachos, which is mind-blowing. Then back to Grand covers all the cold food, snacks, and the desserts. Let's go take a peek. First off, Disney snacks are the best. But then they have the desserts. Oh, a little pillage, a little pillage. So you got the mini cupcakes, and then you have Toy Story cupcakes. They just look a little mangled today. And then you got the chocolate Mickey cupcakes back there, but most are picked out. A lot of people came from the parks, came in and grabbed the dessert. Coming back out, the Roxy has your burgers and your chicken and fries, and your sandwiches, and Rialto is your desserts. Now, right now, the bucket right there, that is awesome. It is awesome. Now they also have the brownie sundae, which is great. You have a Mickey brownie, the sundae. So really, these desserts are next level. And then talking about the desserts, forget the refrigerated ones. You got these. So you have your Mickey heads, chocolate chip, chocolate cookie dough. Then you have your loaded sugar cookie one, and you just have your big old cookies. So this is really this section. Now, obviously you get all your food. You check out here. And then in the back here, they have great seating. Now what they've done is they've themed it. So all these movie posters have been kind of tweaked a little bit. Bungle Cruise instead of Jungle Cruise. The Love Bugs versus Herbie Love Bug. Pete of the Caribbean versus Pirates. So you kind of get the theme that they kind of turned a little Mickified. So this is it. Now I will tell you honestly, the food here is outstanding. The selection here is great. We literally come here to get food, dinner and lunch sometimes, because the food is just so good. Do our mobile app, drop it in, pull up, grab it with a mobile order, and away we go. So, guys, that is the food court. And as we walk out the sign, we want to thank you. Do me a favor, like and subscribe. We will talk to you guys later.